In my other video, I generated some free AI videos for free using a free platform, and most persons were in the comment section asking how I was able to do that. They were like, oh, Grow with Mimi, are you using pro version? The answer is no. I am using the normal version that you have. So how I was able to generate those videos for free is what I'll be showing you in this video. Now let me give you a pro tip. As you're watching this video like right now, please, you can suspend other things and then go and generate these videos. Why I am saying this is because once most of these platforms get to notice that they are having traffic, content creators are promoting their platforms for them for free, they will go and update their system immediately. By the time you go to the platform like 2-3 days later to generate videos, you will now see that it is now a paid tool. You still come back to the comment section of my video to tell me that it is not working, it is clickbait and all of that. It is not clickbait. Sometimes it happens to me too. I'll watch a video of some content creators. I'll be like, okay, I love this video, let me recreate it and upload on my channel. Before I will even recreate it, I'll just go there and the platform is a paid tool. I'll quietly move ahead to another platform. You understand? So it is not our fault. Just try it as you're watching this video. So all I will do now is for me to turn on my screen recorder. We are doing it together so that you not think that I did it later. We are doing it together. My screen recorder is on like right now. So at this point, I am going straight to my Google. This is it, my Google. Now I've gone straight to my Google. I'll go ahead and type SnapGen AI. SnapGen AI. Now I've gone ahead to type SnapGen AI, and here we have it. I will zoom it so you see it very well. It says you visit often. I use it very often because it is free. Now at this point, I'll go ahead and click on it. Now I've gone ahead to click on it and it has brought me to this interface. Immediately it brings you to this interface. Click on this X sign. Now after clicking on that first X sign, click on this second X sign again. Now once you click on that X sign, what you have to do is this: we need to log in. You cannot generate on this platform without you logging in. Now at this point, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see start creating. You will see start creating. Let me remove my phone from desktop side so you see my screen very well. Now I've removed my phone from desktop side. I want you to see my screen very well. So this is the interface. I'll click on X. I'll click on X again. Now we want to generate our image. After generating the image, we go ahead and animate that image. So I'll click on this particular one. I'm clicking on the second icon. I have clicked on it. I will scroll down. I will scroll down. So now that I've scrolled down, I will minimize. I have my prompts written down. I will minimize. I will get my prompt. I've gone ahead to copy my prompt. I'll come back here to the platform. Now, if you check this place, you see the models that are available. But don't worry. Let's use the models that are available for image generation. So here I'll go ahead and paste my prompt for the image generation. Now I've pasted my prompt. If you check here, you'll see model. You click on model. Now once you click on model, you will see that Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana 2 Lite are all free. They are all free. Now you can go ahead and choose anyone. I've chosen Nano Banana 2. You may want to use any one of your choice. Now I have done that, have dropped my prompt. I will scroll down. I will choose my aspect ratio. Look at it here. You can generate your images using 4K if you want to. Now if you check here, you will see credits remaining is 0. Now I'll go ahead and hit generate. Have gone ahead to hit generate and it says I should sign up. Okay, I rightly told you that you cannot generate on this platform without signing up, so we have to sign up using our Google account. Now at this point, I have gone ahead to choose a Google account. Have chosen my Google account and I will go ahead and click on continue. I've gone ahead to click on continue and it has brought me to this interface. So quickly, let's continue from where we stopped. We were here. So this is it. Everything is still here intact. So if you check, I was given 10 credits. Before now, there was no credit here at all. Now I've been given 10 credits. So I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now I'm gonna head to hit generate. It is telling me to verify. You have to verify because they want to know if you're human or if you're a robot. This is very, very important for them. Now I am gonna head to verify that I am human. Immediately I verified. It shows generating. At this point, our image is ready. Now, in order for you to save that image, if you look up here, you will see this notification bell. Can you see the green stuff on it? It means that we have a message. Now, you go ahead and click on it. Immediately you click on it, you will see your image. Now, if you don't look at that notification bell, you may stay here for a long time thinking that your image is not ready. So I've gone ahead to click on it. This is the image it generated for me. Very, very classic. Now I've gone ahead to long press. I'll go ahead and click download image. I went ahead to click download image. As I clicked download image, it is done. It has saved into my gallery. Now I will go back. I'm going back to the other interface. So now that we are done with our image generation, this is what I will do next. I'll come back to this interface. I'll click on video gen. As I clicked on video gen, I will scroll down. By default, it will be in Grok. I've made a video on how to use Grok for free on this platform before now. If you've not seen that video, let me know in the comment section of this video and I will tag you to it. So here I'll be using View. I'll be using Google AI. Now I've gone ahead to click on Google AI. So it has turned to Google AI. Now if you check here, if you scroll down, you'll see model. Now if you go ahead and click on it, you'll see the models that are here. If you should use Veo 3.1 fast, they will ask you to pay, so don't use Veo 3.1. So at this point, I'll go ahead and choose the model. Now please, I want you to take note of the model I am using for this generation. I am using Veo 3.1 Lite. Veo 3.1 Lite. If you use another model, you will be charged. If you should use another model, you will be charged. I don't want you coming to my comment section to tell me you lied. I did not lie to you. So you scroll down after choosing your model. You scroll down. Once you scroll down, you choose your aspect ratio. After choosing your aspect ratio, by default, it is in 720. So I'll leave it at that. If you check like right now, you will see this generation will cost 0 credits per video. 0 credits per video. Now I'll go ahead and hit generate video. I've gone ahead to hit generate video. Now once you hit generate video, you go ahead and wait. You wait. Once you wait, once you go ahead to hit generate video, it will tell you to verify if you are human or not. This particular stage is very, very important for this platform. So I'll go ahead and hit verify. Now I've gone ahead to hit verify, and at this point it is generating my video for me. If you scroll down, you will see your video is being created. Your video is being created. So all we are going to do at this point is for us to wait. Let it get done generating. So let's wait. Once it is done generating, we are going to save it and we are going to watch it together. This is it, guys. My video is ready. So all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, you see these 3 dots. You see these 3 dots. You go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you see download. You go ahead and click on download and it will download directly into your gallery. Now I am having this feeling that this platform might update their system. So if you want to use this particular method, use it as fast as you can. As fast as you can.
I've been waiting for you
much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.